This is a product right here, okay, a vacuum device. What I like about this one is it has two different attachments. This one is battery powered, but they also have a manual one here, and some people prefer one over the other, all right? And so for this one here, this can come out. So depending on, how sort of narrow that person needs this, okay? You want to use water-based lubricant. Okay, so you put lubrication around this here, you put it on the inside, and you also put lubrication on the that allows, when the is in this canister and you're physically sucking blood into the it allows for the to glide along the canister and not get stuck on the inside, okay? Now, the other thing that oftentimes people don't do is they don't get a good suction, and therefore this device is not going to work. So sometimes you just got to move this, kind of wiggle it back and forth to get a good suction. And then sometimes, guys, if they might need to trim some pubic hair along the base to get a better suction. All right, the next tip is don't just go to town on the lever here, okay? So don't just go like this and not stop, because you're going to create a lot of suction and you might suck a testicle into the canister, which can be uncomfortable, okay? Okay, I know. So do this a couple times, 2 or 3 times. Relax, let blood go into the canister, and then again, all right? The guy will know, he'll feel a stretch, okay? But if it's painful, he's putting too much suction, on his, similar to this one right here. So he's pushing the button here, it's drawing blood into the, relax, let blood come in, and do it again, okay? And then you can break the seal. Either there's a button down here that breaks the seal, or you can break the seal like that. All right, so the purpose of devices like this, yes, they can be used prior to activity to bring blood into the, but Mark, I don't think that's where they shine. I don't think that's where these devices have the biggest benefit. They have incredible benefit as penile rehabilitation. One, guys will see in real time their enlarging and engorging, which can do wonders for someone's confidence, especially if they're not getting regular, rigid on a regular basis, all right? And they're non-invasive. They don't require medications. There's no scalpel or anything like that. And there are things that people can do on a regular basis, right? They can be done in the comfort of someone's home. They don't have to go into a doctor's office, and they don't require a prescription.